You have to realize how hard these guys are working, and we can help them by getting out of their way so they can clear the streets. So I want to say to my fellow New Yorkers, if you want safe, clear streets, stay home and let these good folks at sanitation do their job to clear the streets. Obviously, the other reason to stay home is for safety. It's very slick out there. It's hard to drive out there. There's the wind, the ice. There's a lot of blowing snow still, so that's going to affect visibility. If you do not need to travel today, please stay home.
I'm trying to get back to Atlanta. My flight was canceled yesterday, last minute, and so now they have me going from here to Miami just to get back to Atlanta, and hopefully I'll get there at 9 o'clock tonight.
Got here an hour and a half before our flight, found out that it was canceled. Our flight is now departing on Monday, so I think we're going to take the bus.